Y'all, Joe here at Southern Coastal Cooking. Got a nice little video coming to you tonight. I just had several things I need to talk with y'all about. For one thing, I wanted to do an unboxing. Got some stuff in the mail here recently. It's going to be having me make some different videos. Really excited about it. For one, I got a new wood supply. Oh man, over at Smoky Wood and Barbecue Chunks, Jerry and the boys and sent me some good cherry wood. This stuff will be great. I got a big stack of it out on my front porch. I'll be doing some brisket with that. Hopefully this weekend I get some cherry and some hickory, I believe. Right down here, y'all, I have got a box here, and this is from Sweet Smoky Joe's, the people who make the best seafood boil on the planet. I don't know if y'all remember my shrimp video that I've done with it. My dad and I have done a couple videos using this stuff, and this stuff is the bomb. I've never had a seafood boil like it. So they sent me a pack here, and one of the reasons is I've got a video coming up next week. Hopefully, y'all, it's gonna blow your socks off. A huge surprise for you guys, and something for me, something I've never done, and this is going to be, I need this boil for it. Man, it's just going to be spectacular. But anyway, let's see what he sent over here. The good folks over at Smoky Joe's. Oh yeah, this boil, they vacuum seal it for me. And you can order this off their website. But we've got a bunch of seafood boil in here because, you know, I'm going to be doing hopefully some more crawfish boils and stuff this year. So that will serve me well. Let me see if I've got a brochure in here. Yeah, Sweet Smoky Joe's, okay? That's it right there, Sweet Smoky Joe's. You can go sweetsmokyjoe.com and order this rubs. It's www.sweetsmokie joe.com, okay? Anyway, good stuff. I'm sure that shows all the rubs and stuff. Like I said, I asked for a bunch of this seafood boil because it is simply amazing, you guys. I'm telling you what. Oh, he's got some other stuff down here that he does. Let's see what he's got. Folio chicken, like a rub or a seasoning, something like that. I'm sure this stuff is good as well. Fish and seafood. I mean, you know, shake on seasonings. You can't deny that. What else we got here? Creole kick. How about that? Cool packaging, man. I like this stuff. What else he got? Beef and pork rub. Okay, so cool. Of course, you know, as far as my Cajun season, I'm always going to stick with mainstay. That Beezell hadn't had anything to touch that. I'm sure this is really good. I think that's about it. There's plenty of burl. I mean, y'all, this stuff is just amazing. I mean, I just can't tell you. I mean, I'm gonna have to try this. This is, he tweaked the recipe just a little bit, so more to make a little bit cleaner boil. The last one though was fantastic. I'm sure this will be good as well. Like I said, we got some great plans for it. I got about 8 pounds of boil there. Next unboxing I got for y'all, it's a knife here. Remember the Blades of Bulgaria? They sent me those beautiful knives with the stainless steel handles a while back. Came in a white box and had a really cool block with them and everything like that. Really neat. They've come out with this black flower Japanese steel boning knife, 6-inch. Wanted me to check this out, so I said, sure. You know, I can never have too many knives. Y'all know me, I'm a knife nut, so let's just kind of open this up here first. You know, I use these boning knives a lot when I'm cleaning up my brisket and stuff. I'm glad they sent this because I can definitely use this for clean up that brisket this weekend. I'll get this thing open here. Come on, one at the bottom. Really cool little box here. All right, see what we got here. Oh, okay. Oh wow, yes. Oh man, this thing's even got the Damascus steel on the blade before I cut myself open trying to get it pulled out with a blade over there. Let's see. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Hopefully y'all can see that in the light. Damascus steel. Wow, that is cool. That is really, really cool. I like that, y'all. That's nice. 6-inch boning knife. I have to use that to clean that brisket up. Really good, lightweight. Like I said, got the stainless steel. This will be really good. Not sure about exactly what blade steel is on this one. And they said they'd send me some coupon codes and stuff. I'll do another video, just more of a review on this knife. But just wanted to share that with you. I thought that's really, really cool right there. That's a bad boy. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that one. What else? Oh, yeah. Got a big surprise. For those of you who follow my Facebook page, Southern Coastal Cooking, I'm sure y'all have already heard about it, but I've got decals, y'all. Trying to, get y'all out some, some stuff to where you can have it. I got the hat and the shirt made just as kind of an experiment, but I still haven't got the cost right on it to where, people probably want to pay for it and stuff. But I did get some really cool decals, the round, get the peel off back there, great for your, car window or something like that. I've just been selling these on my Facebook page or whatever. Basically, you can go Southern Coastal Cooking, look it up on Facebook, send me a message. My PayPal information, it's just southerncoastalcooking@gmail.com. I'm selling these $4. That includes shipping, okay? Anywhere in the U.S. and ship you one out. I just, wanted to throw that out there. But anyway, not trying to sell a bunch of stuff, but people are asking me, you got some Southern Coastal Cooking stuff? And I said, well, that would be something that's very inexpensive that I could share with people. But anyway, yeah, so I've got a brisket coming this weekend. I bought a 17-pound whole packer, a USDA Prime today. And then I have got a really special video coming next week. I don't want to say anything about it just in case it gets full or something like that. I had my whole haul and that got messed up. And this is something that really means a lot to me. So just wanted to throw that out there for y'all. Yeah, y'all please, keep tuning in. I appreciate all y'all support. I appreciate all my, I won't like to call them sponsors, people sending me stuff like this wood. And I mean, little stuff like this really, really helps, It takes a lot to feed the Kingman and keep everything going with the video, my bowl, my everything. So I really appreciate it. And thank y'all so much as viewers. I mean, you're the reason I'm here and really enjoy doing these videos for y'all. God bless y'all. Y'all have a great weekend. I'll be back doing some more videos for y'all. Please sub my channel, like my videos and my Facebook group, Southern Coastal Cooking on Facebook. Thank y'all so much. See y'all later.